Welcome to EduDose. I'm Dr. Satish Polshettiwar, and today I'm going to decode one of the most fascinating and life-saving mechanisms of the human body, the immune system. We'll break down the basics, explore the types, meet the key players, and see how innate and adaptive immunity work together to keep us alive, with a real-life story-based case study to lock in your learning. So, let's dive right in. First, what exactly is immunology? Immunology is the branch of biomedical science that studies the immune system, the body's very own defense squad against pathogens like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Imagine your body as a fortress. Immunology explains the guards, the weapons, and the clever strategies your body uses to fight off unwelcome intruders. Now, there are two broad types of immunity. The first is innate immunity. This is the immunity you're born with, your body's first line of defense. It acts immediately and is non-specific. Think of your skin, mucous membranes, fever, inflammation, and white blood cells, like neutrophils and macrophages. These are like soldiers at the gate, quick to respond, but they don't remember who attacked. Then there's adaptive immunity, also called acquired or specific immunity. This system steps in when the innate system needs backup. It's slower but highly specific, and most importantly, it has memory. B cells produce antibodies, while T cells either kill infected cells or help other immune cells do their jobs. This is the elite special force, trained, precise, and able to remember the enemy for next time. Let's meet the main players. White blood cells, or leukocytes, are the stars here. Phagocytes, like neutrophils and macrophages, eat up pathogens. Lymphocytes include B cells and T cells. Then we've got organs and tissues, bone marrow, where immune cells are born, thymus, where T cells mature, spleen, which filters blood, and lymph nodes, which trap invaders. Antibodies are Y-shaped proteins that neutralize invaders. And cytokines are like the immune system's WhatsApp messages, delivering critical instructions. Now, how do innate and adaptive immunity work together? Think of the innate system as your body's alarm system. It reacts first and sounds the signal. Through cytokines, it calls for backup from the adaptive system, which takes time to prepare but fights smarter and remembers the threat for the future. That's called immunological memory. Let's bring this to life with a quick case study. Meet Rohan, a 20-year-old pharmacy student. One day, he comes home with a sore throat and mild fever. On day one, his innate immunity jumps in. Throat cells release chemicals like interferons, and his body temperature rises as fever. By day 3, the virus hides inside his throat cells. Macrophages digest the infected cells and present fragments to T cells. Day 5, T helper cells activate B cells to start making antibodies, while cytotoxic T cells kill infected cells. By day 7, Rohan feels better. His adaptive immune system has cleared the virus, and some B and T cells become memory cells, ready for next time. Quick recap. Immunology is the study of the body's defense system. There are two types of immunity: innate, fast, non-specific, and adaptive, slow, specific, memory-based. Key components include white blood cells, antibodies, and lymphoid organs. Together, they're like soldiers and commanders defending your body every day. If you found this story-based breakdown helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Satish Polshettiwar's EduDose for more conceptual and career-focused content for pharmacy and health science students. Drop your topic requests in the comments below.
This video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you.